Okie dokie. So I'm sorry about the noise. The laser cutter's running right now, so I don't know if you can hear it, but I got about an hour and a half worth of cutting to do on there. So I measured my door. About 9 1/4. Again, this is going to be the worst fixed job you've ever seen. But I am looking for function and not beauty. We all know I'm ugly. So, okay. If I have to trim off this bottom section, I will. But I'd rather have more to work with and to bend it up inside the door than anything else. Mark our line. I mean, anything will work. We just got to bend it over that piece. So I'm hoping that I can literally just bend this up. Kind of like that. So now I've got my outer piece. This is going to be the outside of the door. This is going to be the inside of the door. I'm going to have to bend the inside up pretty good. You don't really notice it, but the inside of a door is actually really cupped. So to be able to get my next bend, I'm just going to bend this down flat and then open it up and cut off what I need off the back end. So just literally going to do this. I can get a good crease on there. Voila. Now, open this up. This is just going to slide right into the bottom of the door, and then I can cut this later wherever, but I'd rather have more than less. So, I'm going to do this. I'm going to get this sucker set up here, and we will be right back. Alrighty, so worst patch job ever. You can just see how I got the bend in there. I trimmed my piece off, and I'm just gonna throw it in the door. It should just go on like it is. I'm gonna put the outside up first. Put rivets along the top here, and then work the bottom in and curve it over. So yeah, I'm a little bit constricted with space here, so I don't know how much of this you guys are actually going to be able to see, but we're gonna try here. I'm just gonna set you guys up right here, and we'll see how this goes. show you. So you can see I've got my crease right at the bottom there. I'm going to pull this piece up so it's tight, and then blast in a whole bunch of rivets and trim up what we're not going to use. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know. I've never done this before. Okay, again, I'm a little cramped in here, but you guys should be able to see what I'm doing. Slide this over a little. And then you can see there's my patch. Don't care about color, don't care about match of paint, don't care about any of that. With this sucker, blast a rivet in it. See how this works. Yeah. That's not too terrible. Well, as long as I put it in the right place. But we're both learning, right?